How to use Copper CRM for small businesses. Copper CRM review. Copper CRM tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Copper CRM for small businesses. If you're a small business owner looking for an efficient and user-friendly customer relationship management solution, Copper CRM is an excellent choice with its seamless integration with Google Workspace and other powerful features. Copper CRM is designed to help small businesses build stronger customer relationship and drive growth. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to use Copper CRM even as a beginner. So let's get started. As you can see right now on our screen, I am currently logged into my Copper account. So what we're going to do for today's video is we're going to be exploring the different features or the different things that we could do with Copper CRM and then teaching you how to use each and every feature. Now, as you can see right now on our screen, we are currently accessing the people section or the contact section. You can see here also on the left side, these are the different features that we could use. So we're going to be exploring them. Now, as you can see here on the first part, on the first option above the people, we have the option to add Copper to our Gmail. So basically, we could integrate and connect these two platforms together. And when you connect them, you will be able to view and access your Gmail through Copper as well. So I suggest when you're connecting this, of course, you connect it with your business Gmail or the company Gmail that is directly related to Copper, because you will be able to manage your Gmails or emails through copper.com. Now, aside from this, you have your people, companies, pipelines, tasks, marketing tools, and my track emails and reports over here. We're going to check out people for now. As you can see here, you could have your scattered contact info fully organized by putting your contacts information in this section over here. You will be able to track their emails, calls, files, and notes, and you will be able to add relationships as well, and you could organize them in this section. So to be able to do that, you could either add a person or import contacts. In the import contacts, this is usually for CSV or Excel or sheet files that you could add into Copper. But for now, we're going to go and demonstrate how we could add a person. So to add a person, as you can see, we're going to have to enter their first name. Let's say Chris. Then for the last name, let's say Leo. Then we're going to leave it as that for now. So our client's name or person's name is Chris Leo. Then we could add them our company. So let's say Leo Chris as the company name. Then we could add a title over here. Let's say CEO or whatever. Then potential or contact type over here. You have potential customer, current customer, or other over here. You could also customize a contact type or add your own contact type over here. But let's go with current customer. Then owner, which is whoever is creating this people over here. Then you can add their work email, work phone, work website, LinkedIn, and other information over here. You also have the option to add their address, visibility, description, and tags over here. For the visibility, you could add it as a visible for everyone or for your team specifically or for individuals of your team or only you or the record owner only. And after that, you can simply click on save and that will add our person or our contact directly into our list, as you can see here. And you can see here on the right side like a summary of the information about that person. You also have your activity over here. You can view it over here, like interaction with this person, last contacted, and inactive days over here. You can also log activity over here, like did we make a phone call with this person, meeting, or SMS. Let's say we texted an SMS with him. Let's say deal update. Then you can simply click on save, and that will save as an interaction, as you can see here. One interaction, and then last contacted, and you can see it over here as well. You can also see related tasks, files, or even events related to this person over here. And you could also see here like the company, the email, contact type, last contacted, interaction, and inactive days in this section over here. So after this, you could also do the same thing with companies. You could add a company similarly, as you can see here. Let's say Leo for now. Then let's simply click on save. then we will be able to add this as a company. There we go. We will be able to see the same information like the customer type or contact type, the last contacted interaction, and all of those information. You are also able to create pipelines, as you can see here, visualize your process, move your opportunities through key stages in your process, and drag and drop pipelines. So to be able to create a pipeline, simply click on that. Then you could choose a template over here. You could either choose from financial services or you could choose from all of these options over here. Then after that, we could actually go back to our option, financial services. Then you could choose a category over here, your investment, venture capitalist, loans, or you could start from scratch over here. After that, you can simply click on next, then next again. Then you have your stages over here. You could change it to whatever name that you want, depending on how you manage your different information. You could also add a stage over here and simply click on done. And after that, as you can see, it's currently building our template over here or our pipeline. And there we go. We have our pipeline over here. Now, when we click on add new, we could add a name over here. Let's go testing for now. Primary contact, you could relate a contact. So let's say Chris Leo, our contact from earlier that we have just added. And for the company, we could do the same thing, Leo. Then you can see, you can click on save, and there we go. You could add the other information if you want. And now we have our section over here. Now you could move this around doing this. There we go. You could move it from the first stage to the second stage to the third stage and even to the last stage, or you could jump it back to the start. There we go. And you could either lost it, abandon it, or won it. You could do those type of categories. Now after that, you could also create your task. As you can see here in this task section, you could click on add a task, and we could add a new task over here, new task for now. You could put in activity type. You have your meeting, phone call, or SMS, depending on what task you want it to be. Let's say phone call for now. Then related to, let's say, Chris again. And after that, as you can see, you could add priority to it. Let's say the priority is very high. Then you could add a description over here. Discuss about contract, something like that. Then you could also adjust the visibility like earlier and simply click on save. And as you can see, now we have our task being listed over here. Then you can see the information like due date, related to, owned by, and our task, of course. Then once this is done, you can simply click on the checklist and you will be able to have it as a completed task. And then you could also check your log activity. There we go. Then this will automatically like inform you that you should log this. Done phone call about the simply click on log activity. Then this will be automatically logged with your person over here. As you can see, there is now 2 interactions with them. Now there's also marketing tools over here. You will be able to use this as well. Then you can also track your emails in this section, and you also have your reports over here. You could request access to this, and then you will be able to view different reports related to your Copper CRM. You can also invite users or invite your teammates over here so that you could monitor and access this section over here all together, but you will be able to, of course, limit the different things such as who can view something and stuff like that. And to check out our track emails, we could click this. To be able to track when people open their mails, we would have to install the Chrome extension and check the track email box in the Gmail Compose window, as you can see here on their preview. Now, their extension would look like this. As you can see, when I click on this Chrome extension link over here, this is what it would look like. And we can simply add it to our browser or whatever browser that we are using. You can also check out your marketing tools over here. As you can see, on our marketing tools, we need to create a new Copper account with our Copper email address to access marketing tools. So please note that Gmail cannot be used without funnels. So if you're using your Gmail account, you can't use this option over here. You're going to have to create your own company email address or have your own company email address. Right now, I'm using my Gmail account, so we won't be able to use this specific feature. For the reports, we will have to request access for this, but right now, it's not really working. As you can see, something went wrong. So there's an issue with this one. So we would have to wait for Copper to fix this issue before we could demonstrate this. And to be able to add users or add team members to your Copper CRM, you can simply put in their email address over here and simply click on send invite, and you will be able to send them an invite. And you have the options over here to either make that person into an admin or allow data exploring or allow data sync. If you would like them to just see the information, you can simply put that in, then simply click on send invite, which would then invite that specific person into your Copper CRM. Now, as I know, there isn't really a limit on how many people or how many companies or how many pipelines that you can create. Specifically for task as well, there is no limit for how many you could add there. There's a lot of filters, settings, and even a search bar to help you find a specific customer that you're looking for, especially if there is thousands and hundreds of thousands of people over here or contacts that you have, even in companies. Having a search bar is very useful because you will be able to find them directly over here. As you can see here, also you can check out the recently viewed. And of course, the only person that we added right now is Chris Leo and the Leo company. So that's the only one that will appear over here. You can also import people over here. Like I said earlier, you will be able to import them through CSV, Excel, Contacts, Salesforce. There's also other platforms that you could import your information from. You can also export data if you want. As you can see, you can export people. You can export the list that you have over here, export companies, export opportunities, and even export your tasks if you would like to save them to an Excel file as indicated over here, which then will allow you to import the list of your people to other platforms as well, which is very useful for when you're transferring between platforms to platforms. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.